Hi Weber fans, so today we're going to be cooking a ribeye steak reverse seared. So what we'll do is jump straight into it. And don't forget, everything you use in my video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products, so make sure you check those out. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate. Slap that subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. Right, so in today's video, what we're going to be doing is a reverse seared ribeye steak. Now, it may sound a bit weird doing it reverse seared, but it tastes absolutely awesome. Now, for this, you're going to need an indirect and a direct cooking system, so you can do this on the Weber Genesis, you can do it on the kettle, you can even do it on the Q. So today we're going to be on the Baby Q. So what we'll do is get straight to it. Right, so today we're going to be using a ribeye steak around 1 inch thick, and it's about 1/2 kilogram in weight. I will put on screen what that is in ounces. So what we're going to do before we prepare that, we're going to get the Q lit, and we're going to set it up for an indirect cooking system and put a smoker packet on it. So we'll get that lit and then we'll start preparing the steak. Right, so now our Q's set up, it's building up some smoke, so what we'll do is jump in and start preparing this steak. Right, so with our steak, what we're going to do is just give it a light season like we would with a normal steak. But because we're doing a convection cooking system first, we're only going to give it a light season. So you want some light olive oil. So just a light coat of olive oil. So we give it a little bit of pepper and some salt. And then, because we've done one side, we'll do the other. And that's ready to go on the Q. Right, so now we've lightly seasoned our steak, we're just going to leave it to rest on the side while that Q heats up, and that will give that seasoning time to infuse into that meat, and the meat to bring that temperature up just a little bit before it goes on the Q. Right, so now we've got some nice smoke going and our Q's heated up. We're going to put our steak on. Now what we're going to be using is the Weber probe today. I will put a link in the description below of where to get these. And we've set it to a temperature of 63 degrees, so we're going to cook it to a medium rare, and then we'll finish it off on the grill once we've reached that temperature. So we've got our steak on, and we're going to aim for around 43 degrees. We want it around 20 degrees less than what it needs to be for medium rare, because we're going to be putting it back on that grill, and obviously we don't want it to overcook. That steak now should be cooking for around 20 to 30 minutes. We'll keep on it, and as soon as it hits 43-46 degrees, then we'll take it off and we'll bring it in and prepare it for the next sear. Right, so our steak's just hit 46 degrees. So it's time to get that off. So we'll just remove this smoker and convection tray. So our steak's out, we're just going to season it both sides before we get it on that high heat sear. And that's now ready to go back on the Q. That's cooked for 2 minutes. Return. Right, so the steak's just come off. We've let it rest under that tin foil for 2 minutes because we reverse seared it. So now it's time to cut into it and give it a bit of a taste test. Just cut into that. And that's perfect. So time to give it a bit of a taste test. So you can see we've still got the redness of the meat, and this is going to be really moist. It just melts like butter. Absolutely perfect. Now don't forget, everything you've used in my video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products, so make sure you check those out. Right, so as you can see, that steak turned out super. It was really juicy, really moist. I was really impressed with it, and I'd highly recommend doing a reverse sear every time. It's well worth putting that time in. So again, you can do this on the Genesis, you can do it on the Baby Q like I've done, and you can even do it on the Weber kettle. You just need that direct and indirect cooking system, and you want to cook it for around 20 minutes that was on for, and you want it around 20 degrees lower if you're in Celsius and around 10 degrees lower if you're in Fahrenheit when you take it off before you do the main high sear. So again, those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one.